AI is creating millionaires every day, and you could be next. If you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, these 7 AI apps can help you build wealth, automate success, and save years of time. We're living through a tech revolution, and just like the internet boom, fortunes are being made fast. But this time, you don't need a degree or a big team. Regular people are using AI to multiply productivity, launch businesses overnight, and reach millions without ever showing their face. Forget hustle culture. Today it's all about leverage. These 7 apps are your shortcut to scaling your efforts 1,000 times over. I've tested them all, and I'll show you exactly how each one can put you on the fast track to financial freedom. This isn't theory. This is the new reality. Ready to plug in? Meet Copy.ai, your 24/7 copywriting team in a browser. Instantly create website copy, social posts, emails, and more. No writing skills needed. Launch projects in hours, not weeks. Compete with big brands on a shoestring budget. Scale your content from 1 post a week to 10. Unlimited content for a tiny monthly fee. Unlock your content leverage with Copy.ai today. Next, Midjourney turns anyone into a pro digital artist. No art school, no Photoshop, just type your idea, and Midjourney creates stunning, unique images. Need custom artwork for your brand or products? Forget expensive designers or boring stock photos. Generate endless, high-quality visuals for pennies. People are using Midjourney to create designs for print on demand, children's books, album covers, and even NFTs. The creative and financial possibilities are limitless. For marketers, create scroll-stopping ad creatives. Think astronaut eating salad on Mars instead of generic stock photos. Specify style, lighting, mood. Midjourney gives you Hollywood-level visuals in minutes. Save thousands on photo shoots and test what works with your audience instantly. This tool democratizes art. Small creators can now rival the biggest brands. If you have an idea, you can bring it to life visually, no technical skill needed. Midjourney is a portal to unlimited creativity and new income streams. Use it for passive income, unique branding, or viral content. The only limit is your imagination. Don't settle for generic. Stand out with custom visuals. Midjourney is your creative superpower. Start creating, start earning. Now, the Titan, ChatGPT-4o. Not just a chatbot, but your co-founder, strategist, and mentor. Most use it for emails or quick questions. That's like using a supercomputer for solitaire. Treat it as your 24/7 consultant. Feed it your business plan, sales data, or competitor info, and get actionable insights. Want to launch a business? ChatGPT-4o can generate ideas, build a business plan, and map out your marketing, all in hours, not months. The new model can see, hear, and speak. Show it a photo, have a voice chat, or get instant explanations of complex data. For creators, it's the ultimate brainstorming partner. Get viral video ideas, script outlines, or persona-driven feedback. The secret is in the prompts. The better your questions, the better its answers. Ask for detailed, tailored strategies. Get back gold. Don't know how to code or run ads? ChatGPT-4o will write the code or step-by-step guide for you. It's a universal expert, democratizing knowledge and execution. Using ChatGPT-4o daily is the biggest cheat code for business in 2024. It accelerates your learning curve from years to days. Automate research and planning. Focus on execution. If you're not using this tool, you're choosing to operate at a disadvantage. It's your tireless, genius business partner. Outthink and outwork everyone else. Eliminate the I don't know how excuse forever. ChatGPT-4o is your secret weapon. Use it to build, grow, and win. The future belongs to those who leverage AI. Next, Pictory AI. Perfect for anyone who wants to win on YouTube without being on camera. YouTube is a goldmine, but video creation is hard, until now. Pictory turns text into pro videos with stock footage, voiceovers, and captions in minutes. Repurpose blog posts, articles, or scripts. Pictory finds the right clips and builds your video automatically. This unlocks faceless YouTube channels. Some make tens of thousands a month in niches like finance, history, and true crime. What used to take a day now takes an hour. Scale to multiple channels, automate everything. Hire a writer, plug scripts into Pictory, and upload. Become a media producer, not just a creator. AI voiceovers sound real, with dozens of voices and accents. No need to record yourself. repurpose podcasts or Zoom calls. Pictory transcribes and creates videos or short clips for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Multiply your content output with almost no extra effort. Businesses can use Pictory for ads, training, or sales videos. Video gets more engagement, period. Pictory makes video creation so easy, there's no excuse not to use it. Automate 90% of the process and scale your content to new heights. Build a media machine that works for you 24/7. Tap into YouTube's wealth-generating power without the pain of traditional production. The future of video is automated. Start building your YouTube empire today. Don't miss out. QuickBooks AI, maybe not flashy but crucial for real wealth. Managing finances is the foundation of any business, but most hate it, and bad bookkeeping kills profits. QuickBooks AI automates tedious tasks, categorizes expenses, tracks income, and learns your habits. It's like having a junior accountant 24/7. Save over 100 hours a year, time you can spend growing your business. Connect your accounts, and QuickBooks does 90% of the work. Just review and approve. The AI flags errors and unusual transactions before they become big problems. Cash flow forecasting predicts your future finances, helping you avoid crunches and plan smart. Clean books mean lower CPA bills and less stress at tax time. Generate reports to see exactly where your money goes. Find savings and spot your best clients. Make data-driven decisions to cut costs and maximize profits. Mastering your finances is the difference between a hobby and a real business. QuickBooks AI makes financial mastery accessible, even if you hate numbers. Automate, get insights, and protect yourself from costly mistakes. Don't let bad bookkeeping hold you back. Get your financial house in order, automatically. Build lasting wealth the smart way. QuickBooks AI is your financial edge. Let's talk sales, because if you can't sell, you don't have a business. Chatfuel AI builds intelligent chatbots for your website, Instagram, and Messenger, your 24/7 sales and support team. No coding needed. Imagine a customer lands on your site at 2 a.m. The bot greets, answers questions, recommends products, and guides them to checkout. It's like having a perfect salesperson for every visitor all the time. These bots have natural, human-like conversations and can hand off to a human if needed. Set up bots to message Instagram commenters, qualify leads, and collect emails, turning engagement into sales automatically. For e-commerce, bots act as personal shoppers, recover abandoned carts, and boost revenue. Instantly answer 80% of customer questions, freeing your team for complex issues. Build a bot with drag-and-drop simplicity. Get started in under an hour. Templates for every business make setup easy. A single salesperson can talk to one person at a time. A Chatfuel bot can talk to thousands. Never gets tired, never has a bad day, always follows your script. Scale sales and support without scaling your team. It's a force multiplier for any business. Don't leave sales on the table. Automate and scale with Chatfuel AI. The future of sales is always on. Get your AI sales team working today. Last, durable AI obliterates the biggest hurdle for new businesses, building a website. Forget months learning WordPress or paying thousands to a developer. Durable builds a beautiful, functional website in 30 seconds. Just enter your business type and name. AI generates custom copy, images, and a contact form instantly. It's 80% done out of the box. Just tweak colors, images, or text as you like. Go from idea to live site in under an hour. Perfect for service businesses, freelancers, or anyone needing instant credibility. Launch a new idea over the weekend. Test, iterate, and grow at lightning speed. Durable is more than a website builder. It's a business platform. Get an AI-powered CRM and invoicing system built in. No more duct taping 5 tools together. Save thousands. Invest in marketing instead of web development. Removes the financial barrier to entry for new entrepreneurs. Focus on your strengths, not web design headaches. Durable is your launchpad. Automate the hard stuff and get to market fast. Compete with anyone, anywhere. The fastest way to get your business online. You don't need millions to start. You need leverage. These AI apps give you exactly that. The excuses are gone. The barriers are shattered. The only thing standing between you and something amazing is taking the first step. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building smarter. Use AI to amplify your skills and ideas. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling up, these tools save you years and thousands of dollars. The AI revolution is here. Will you be one of the new millionaires? Pick one app, master it this week, and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching. Now go build your empire.